Hello, good morning students. Today we discuss about the trigonometric function, and today we solve some questions based on the identity sin 2x cos 2x, okay, and sin x sin x in terms of an angle x by 2, okay. In previous class we solved some questions based on that identities. Today we also take some questions based on same identities, okay. First of all, we revise some identities of trigonometric functions. Let's see. In previous class we discussed about the identity sin 2x. This is equal to 2 sin x into cos x, okay. Suppose in previous class I discussed about that. Suppose if we replace x by 4x, suppose in that identity we replace x by 4x, then what I get? Let's see. We get sin 2 into 4x is equal to 2 sin 4x into cos 4x, okay. Now let's see here. This is sin 4 to the 8x is equal to 2 sin 4x into cos 4x. So the formula for sin 8x, we can write 2 sin 4x into cos 4x using that concept, okay. Similarly, we find the value of cos 8x, tan 8x, etc. in the same way. So dear students, please remember all that concept in your mind. Then after you solve all the questions of your NCERT exercise, okay. Today we take some questions based on these types of transformation of trigonometric functions, okay. Let's see. Let's see. Prove that. This is very important question. Prove that square root 2 plus n square root 2 plus n square root 2 plus 2 cos 8x. 2 cos 8x is equal to 2 cos x. This is one of the most important questions of your syllabus. Here we have to show that square root 2 plus square root 2 plus square root 2 plus 2 cos 8x, and we have to show that is 2 cos x, okay. Now let's see. Just I discuss about that type of formula. Let's see once more time. We know that cos 2x is what? 2 cos square x minus 1, okay. So if we replace x by 4x in this formula, if we replace x by 4x, then what I get? We get cos 2 4 is 8x is equal to 2 cos square 4x minus 1. We get this now, okay. And also if 1 replace that side, then what I get? 1 plus cos 8x is we get 2 cos square 4x. Similarly 1 plus cos 4x is equal to what? 2 cos square 2x. Similarly previous method, okay, this concept we get 1 plus cos 4x as 2 cos square 2x. like that 1 plus cos 8x is equal to 2 cos square 4x na. Similarly 1 plus cos 4x is equal to 2 cos square 2x. Okay, and also you know that very well 1 plus cos 2x is equal to what? Only just 2 cos square x. So all these formula, this formula, basically this is the one formula, but there are different form of this formula. Okay, now we use all these formula in this question, then we get our result as 2 cos x. Okay, let's see. First we take left hand side. Let's see, in square root 2 plus in square root 2 plus in that square root we take 2 as common. Okay, that is 1, we get 1 plus cos 8x. Okay, now let's see 2 plus square root 2 plus square root 2 into, we know that the value of 1 plus cos 8x, and we know that 1 plus cos 8x as 2 cos square 4x. We get na? Yes. So here we put 2 cos square 4x. Now what I get? Let's see. We get 2 plus under root 2 plus, this is what? 2 to the 4. 2 to the 4 cos square 4x na, right? 2 to the 4 cos square 4x. Okay, now let's see, we take common as 2 cos 4x na, because of this is in square in under root, so we get what is common? We get 2 plus square root 2 plus, that is 2 cos 4x is common in that surds. Okay, now reduce one surds. Now we take common that two parts, we solve that surds. Okay, now let's see, 2 plus under root, here 2 is common, then what I get? 1 plus cos 4x. Okay, now let's see, that is 2 plus under root 2 into, we get 1 plus cos 4x, as is what we'll write that 2 cos square 2x. Okay, we write now 1 plus cos 4x as 2 cos square 2x. So let's see, 2 into 1 plus cos 4x we write as 2 cos square 2x. So what I get? Let's see, under root 2 plus 2 to the 4 cos square 2x na. So this way, this part is also common, take common as 2 cos 2x, take common. Now let's see, here, that is 2 plus, we take 2 cos 2x as common, 2 cos 2x as common na. So we reduce this surds also. Now let's see, we take 2 as common in that part, so we get 1 plus cos 2x. Okay, and again we write 1 plus cos 2x as 2 cos square x. Okay, so we get 2 cos square x. So we get 2 to the under root 4 cos square x. So 2 cos x take common. So we get our result, that is RHS. Okay, so dear students, this is one of the most important questions of your NCERT exercise. Okay, so please use all the trigonometric identities very carefully. Okay, here first of all we know that the formula of cos 2x, that is 2 cos square x minus 1. If we replace x by 4x, then we get the formula for cos 8x as 2 cos square 4x minus 1. Similarly, if we replace x by 2x, so we get the formula for 1 plus cos 4x as 2 cos square 2x, and 1 plus cos 2x, we know that very well. Okay, now dear students, here first of step by step we reduce the surds and using all the formula in these questions. In this way we simplify all the questions and we get our result as 2 cos x. Okay, so dear students, please practice all the questions of your exercise. Okay, now we take some other questions based on same concept. Okay, let's see. Now we take some other questions based on same concept. Prove that cos 4x is equal to 1 minus 8 sin square x into cos square x. This is also a NCERT question, and here we have to show that cos 4x is equal to 1 minus 8 sin square x into cos square x. Okay, now let's see its solution. First we take left hand side. As cos 4x. Okay, now let's see. We write cos 4x as what? 1 minus 2 sin square 2x na? Because of, let's see its concept. Because of, we know that cos 2x is equal to what? 1 minus 2 sin square x, right? If we replace x by 2x, in this formula we replace x by 2x, then what I get? We get cos 2 to the 4x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square 2x. Okay, so we put this formula in these questions. Now let's see. 1 minus 2 sin square 2x, which is equal to cos 4x. Now 1 minus 2, and also we know that the formula for sin 2x is what? 2 sin x into cos x. 2 sin x into cos x. So here we put 2 sin x into cos x in the place of sin 2x. Okay, now let's see. That is 2 into 2 sin x into cos x square. Because of here square na? Okay, now 1 minus 2 into, we split the square, we get 2 to the 4 sin square x into cos square x. So we get 1 minus 4 to the 8 na? That is 8 sin square x into cos square x. So we get our result as cos 4x is equal to 1 minus 8 sin square x into cos square x. This is your RHS, hence proved. Okay, so clear students? Yes. So dear students, please you use all that formulas very carefully. Okay, this is the concept of that formula. So using that concept you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise. Now we take some other questions based on same concept. Let's see. Prove that cos x plus cos y whole square plus sin x minus sin y whole square is equal to 4 cos square x plus y by 2. We have to show that 4 cos square x plus y by 2 cos x plus cos y whole square plus sin x minus sin y whole square is equal to 4 cos square x plus y by 2. This is proof. Okay. Okay, right. This is your question. Okay, you have to prove that cos x plus cos y whole square plus sin x minus sin y whole square is equal to 4 into cos square x plus y by 2. Now we solve these questions. We can solve this question in two ways. First, you use sin cos c plus cos d and sin c minus sin d, you get your result. Okay, we also solve that question using previous concept. Okay, let's see. Take LHS and squaring expand. Let's see a square plus b square plus 2ab, that is 2 cos x into cos y. Okay, same as here. We expand it. A square plus b square minus 2ab, that is 2 sin x into sin y. Okay, now let's see. We take cos square x and sin square x together, and we take cos square y and sin square y take together. Okay, now we get, let's see, that is sin square x take together, same as here. We take sin square y plus cos square y take together. Okay, now in that two parts we take 2 as common. We take 2 as common now, so we get what? Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Okay, now let's see the value of this for 1 plus 2 into. Now let's see, this is the formula for which identity? That is the formula of cos a plus b. Cos a plus b, na? That is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. This is the formula for cos a plus b. So here we put cos x plus y. Now let's see, 1 plus 1, that is 2 plus 2 cos x plus y. Now we take 2 as common, we get 1 plus cos x plus y, and we know that 1 plus x we write as what? Let's see, we know that the formula for cos 2x in terms of cos, that is 2 cos square x minus 1. If we write cos x, we replace x by 2, that is we get cos x is equal to 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. Okay, if we transfer 1 that side, then what I get? 1 plus cos x is equal to what I get? That is 2 cos square x by 2. Okay, so here x and here x is x plus y. So that part, using this equation, using this formula in this is in that question. Okay, now let's see, we get 2 into, we write 1 plus cos x, we write 2 cos square x by 2, and here x is what? X plus y. So we write 2 cos square x by 2 means x plus y by 2. 2 na, because of here the value of x a as x plus y. So here we take x as x plus y, and in this way we get 2 times cos square x plus y by 2. So here let's see, 2 2s are 4, so that is 4. Okay, now let's see that 2 2s are 4, and 4 into what? Cos square x plus y by 2. Now let's see cos x. This is our result. That is RHS na. That is 2 cos square x plus y by 2. Hence this is our result. That is RHS. Hence proof. This is our result RHS. Hence okay. So dear students, we use all the formula of this chapter in this way. Okay, so please you do practice more and more questions, okay, based on that concept. Now we take some other question based on same identities. Let's see. Now let's see some other question. This is very important question of your NCERT exercise. Prove that sec 8x minus 1 upon sec 4x minus 1 is equal to 10 8x upon 10 8x upon 10 to x. This is very important questions of your NCERT exercise. Okay, so please see very carefully. Let's see. First of all, we take left hand side as what, and we convert sec theta in the form of cos theta. So we write 1 upon cos 8x minus 1. In denominator we write 1 upon cos 8x minus 1. So we get what? If we take cos 8x as LCM, we get 1 minus cos 8x upon 8x cos 8x. Okay, and in denominator what I get? Let's see, 1 minus cos 8x, 1 minus cos 8x upon cos 8x. Okay, sorry, in denominator this is 4x na, sorry, so we write as 4x here. So that is, we get cos 1 minus cos 4x, and we take cos 4x as LCM in denominator. Okay, yes. Now let's see, we get 1 minus cos 8x upon, that is 1 minus cos 4x into, this is in numerator and this get in denominator, that is cos 4x upon cos 8x. Okay, now let's see, we know that 1 minus cos x. Let's see, we know that 1 minus cos x as what? 2 sin square x by 2. We know that 1 minus cos x is what? 2 cos square x by 2. Okay, so here what? This is 8x na, so we replace x by 8x. What I get? 1 minus cos 8x we write as 2 sin square 4x. Okay, if we put x as 8x and 2 4 8, so we get 1 minus cos 8x as 2 sin square 4x. Similarly, let's see, 1 minus cos 4x, what I write, what I get, let's see. If you replace x by 4x here, then what we get, cos 1 minus cos 4x is equal to 2 sine square. If we replace 4x, 2 to the 4, that is 2x. We get 2 sine square 2x. So we use 1 minus cot 8x as 2 sine square 4x, and we use 1 minus cos 4x as 2 sine square 2x. In that part, let's see. 1 minus cos 8x, what I write, 2 sine square 4x upon, in denominator 1 minus cos 4x, we write what, 2 sine square 2x. And here let's see, we write cos 4x as it is. Okay, we write cos 4x as it is here. Okay, right now. Okay, upon, in denominator we write cos 8x as it is. Now let's see, in denominator we arrange it. Let's see, 2 sine 4x into cos 4x takes together, and 1 sine 4x we write in this way, that is sine 4x. Okay, and here upon, that is cos 8x now, in, and here we write as 2 sine square 2x. Now this is, let's see, 2 sine theta x cos x. What is the formula of that? That is sine 2x now. Let's see, we know that the formula for sine 2x. Sine 2x is what? 2 sine x into cos x. This is the formula for sine 2x as 2 sine x into cos x. Then if we replace x by 2x, then what I get? 2 to the 4x. We get sine 4x is equal to 2 sine 2x into cos 2x. So we use as 2 sine, here 4x now. Okay, so here if we replace x by 4x, then we get sin 8x. Sin 8x is equal to 2 sine 4x into cos 4x. So here we write 2 sine 4x into cos 4x as sin 8x. Okay, let's see. Here we write as sin 8x. Okay, this is right, sin 8x, and here cos 8x write as it is into sin 4x. Sin 4x we write what? 2 sin 2x into cos 2x. Okay, we write 2 sin 2x, 2 sin 2x into cos 2x, and in denominator we write 2 sin square 2x as it is. 2 sin square 2x as it is. 2 to cancel out, and sin 2x, 1 sin 2x cancel out, then we get what? Sin 8x upon cos 8x, that is tan 2x upon, this is what? This is sin 2x in denominator, and here if we transfer that side, that is cos 2x na, in this way. So here let's see, sin 2x upon cos 2x, also we write tan 2x. So this is this is tan 8x na. Okay, this is what? Tan 2x. So tan 8x upon tan 2x. This is our result, hence true. So dear students, this is the concept of that question. This is very important question. Okay, and in all the question only we use the concept of formula and obtain which I need according to questions. Okay, which is our need. suppose that if we want to find the value of sine 4x, so we write as 2 sine 2x and cos 2x. Okay, using all that concept in that question, we get our result in this way. Okay, so dear student, first of all you learn all the formula very carefully and practices each and every questions which I discussed in that class. Okay, and that question which are in your NCERT exercise. Okay, so you practices all the questions and using all the formula very carefully. Now once more time we just revise the formula which is today which we use in all the questions. Okay, so dear student, first you learn and practices all the formula, you solve your NCERT exercise. Let's see once more time, we revise all the formula. The student, suppose we find the value of cos 8x. We find the formula for cos 8x. Okay, then you know that the formula of cos 2x is what? 2 cos square x minus 1. And if we get 8x, so we replace x by what? 4x na? Here in that part, in this, if we get the value of cos 8x, so first of all in that we replace x by 4x. So what I get? Cos 2 4 is 8x is equal to 2 cos square 4x minus 1. So this is the formula for cos 8x. Suppose that we find the formula for sin 8x. Sin 8x. Okay, and so for that formula you know that the formula for sin 2x is what? 2 sin x into cos x. Here we also replace x by what? 4x. So we get sin 8x as 2 sin 4x into cos 4x. Okay, so dear students, using that concept you can find all the formula of trigonometry function based on that identities. Okay, now dear students, in next class we discuss some other questions and solve some other formula, and we solve all the questions of your NCERT exercise based on that formula. Okay, so now we discuss in next class. Thank you.